recently renovated mid-century home located in the highly sought-after Central Valley School District. Hi, I'm Alejandro Ventura, broker with Alejandro Ventura Real Estate at Keller Williams, and I would like to welcome you to my newest listing at 911 North SqFt in the Spokane Valley. This impeccable home features updated kitchen with new counters and paint, renovated bathrooms, newer windows that allow for plenty of natural lighting, and new flooring throughout. Engage with friends and family in the semi-open floor plan, or have a party in the large, level, and fully fenced backyard. Enjoy the convenience of having 3 beds and 2 baths on the main floor, plus the flexibility to provide additional lodging in the 2 extra non-conforming bedrooms in the basement. As you can see, this home is move-in ready, and it's only 3 blocks away to Broadway Elementary and only 8 blocks to the brand new North Pines Middle School, as well as close to shopping and restaurants. So hurry up and call me today to schedule your private showing. I'm Alejandro with Alejandro Ventura Real Estate. Thank you for watching and make it a great day.